Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is Boxy Charm, November 2022. So if you'd like to see the products that I got, my thoughts and opinions, and how I got this base to be basing, then just keep on watching. Boxy Charm, November 2022. This month's box I was pretty excited about because I got the Ofra Cosmetics Midi Palette Face It, and it's a cute contour bronzer and highlighter palette, and I'm really excited about it. This brow gel from Belle and Argent that I used before I started talking because I don't like to talk and do my brows. And the Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil from Sophia Mabel, and it's such a gorgeous shade. And I put a little on after I used the lip scrub, which I'm going to use now because I did it a while ago. I just want to try it. But this lip scrub is Amana Macaroon Lip Scrub, and it smells divine, and it's so cute. Oh, it just smells so good. So I'm going to start out with that. I also got a Soeli Let Your Hair Shine brush, a warm brush to style your hair, which was really cool because I love stuff like this. So I'm just going to do this lip scrub real quick. I already have a foundation on. I should have done this before. I didn't think about that. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm just going to take a little bit of a paper towel and rub it off. So I'm going to jump into this Ofra Midi palette, and I'm going to take Pacifica to contour. And I'm filming this in my Boxy reel at the same time because it's late and tomorrow is the holiday and I'm going to spend time with my family, so I'm kind of condensing the two. So I'm going to do half of my face on here, the other half on my reel. So this is a Hip Dot brush that I got. I don't know, I like it. So I've got some of that powder, and I'm just gonna dust it on here. This is the contour shade, and now I'm just gonna pat that in. Oh, I like that. This eye look might already be up. If it is, I'll put one of those eyes up top here, and then maybe have the video at the end of the video so you can click and check it out. But it's more of a holiday eye. Felt like not really in the holiday mood, but let's do something fun, and I felt like it was super cute. Contouring is a lot of fun. I enjoy it. So now I'm going to take the bronzer shade right here, and it is called San Fran. I'll probably use the contour shade on my nose. I just want to do this real quick, but I'm just popping that on and blending it with that contour shade, because contouring is to create the illusion of a shadow, and bronzing warms you up, so you would place it where the sun would naturally hit you, and these just pair perfectly together. So cute. So I'm gonna pop a little bit more of that bronzer onto my forehead, and I'm having an existential crisis, so I might not have to contour my face for very much longer because I'm considering bangs. Gotta laugh about it or I'll cry. No, I'm in a decent mood today. I just want to joke around and have fun, so that's where I'm at with everything. I'm going to go pop on some blush before I do my highlighter because I like to do blush before highlighter. And then after the highlighter, just pat a little more blush on to kind of get it nice and blended out, so I don't have like that highlighter mark. Okay, so I feel like Rodeo Drive is like their most popular highlighter, and it's one that's included in this. So I'm going to use it. And I have ordered it before, and back in the day, oh gosh, what year was that? It may have been 2018, maybe 2019. They had come out with a collection around Valentine's Day, I do believe, that was in Ulta. And it had like Rodeo Drive, Bliss, and Pillow Talk, and that's how I fell in love with their Pillow Talk highlighter. I have several Pillow Talk highlighters because they're my favorites. So I'm gonna put this one on right now. So this is a little fluffy brush from Lele Posh Cosmetics with the Ellie Star collab for the highlighter palette, and I've used it so much there's nothing on it. It's like my Morphe brush. So I'm just gonna dip right in here and let's get some glow. Oh yes, that is a beautiful glow. I'm all about looking like a glazed donut. If you cannot see me with a highlighter and glitter from a mile away, I didn't do it right. I don't care if it looks natural or unnatural, I just want to sparkle. Oh my goodness. Glow, baby, glow. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it right here over my brow. Do a little brow highlighting. And I'm not going to use this on my brow bone because I'm going to use a multi-chrome for that, for this look that I'm working on. But I love this glow. And on my chin. And my nose. Cupid's bow. So shiny. Okay, I'm gonna go and do the other half of my face on my reel, and I will come back to use the final product until I do my hair. I will insert clips of my hair. So I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the BoxyCharm box, the look with those products, and I did a little hair action. So what do you think? I was really excited about this box. I feel like the products were awesome. And this lip oil, super comfortable. The lip scrub smells amazing. I'm really, really in love. I know this was kind of a shorter one, but I just kind of had quick products to use and there wasn't really much in depth I felt like I could give. So what do you think? Let me know what you'd like to see next down below. I want to thank you so much for watching and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!